Welcome to Hidden Springs, a vibrant community nestled just off Silver Spring Road, minutes from the Carlisle Pike. Hidden Springs offers ample open space surrounding the community and a tree-lined border. Secluded home sites range from 1/3 to 1/4 acre in size. This cul-de-sac community also features a large walking trail for outdoor activity just steps from your home. Located just 20 minutes from Harrisburg, you can easily enjoy the state capitol, City Island, and an array of shopping, dining, and entertainment opportunities. Hidden Springs is also nestled in the renowned Cumberland Valley School District, offering top-notch education for your family. Choose from a variety of customizable floor plans to meet your family's needs, ensuring your home is tailored to fit your lifestyle. Though it's not just about the homes, Hidden Springs fosters connections among its residents and a sense of community. Discover the perfect blend of convenience, comfort, and community living at Hidden Springs.